The sun is out and fresh air is calling for more fun. Bring the joy and thrill of imagination home for your kids. With Lifetime's Adventure Tower Playset, long days of video games and television will disappear, giving your kids hours of fun. This is the perfect way to get your kids involved in healthy physical activities. With a hardtop roof clubhouse, a wavy slide, and plenty of other features, you will give your kids and their friends years of enjoyment. Spark their creativity with rock climbing walls. They'll feel like an explorer braving the ridge of the mountain, or even a race car driver as they spin the steering wheel or play with the molded in-car track. The playset comes with a trapeze bar and 2 swings where they can feel like they are star circus performers. And with 4 storefronts, they can pretend to run their very own drive-thru. With its UV-resistant, powder-coated steel design, it retains less heat to protect your kids and maintains its color under the glaring sun and is low maintenance, which means you don't need to stain or paint anything. It's weather-resistant to prevent cracking, warping, rotting, or splintering. This playset passes playground performance and safety standards with no lead-based material. Hard edges are rounded off or covered with plastic. Comfort rubber grips cover the swing chains to prevent pinching or snagging. So prepare for the summer fun and bring home the Lifetime Adventure Tower Playset for your children. You and your family will create memories to last a lifetime.